Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and I want to show you how to paint this hot cocoa paint by line. I'm going to go in first and base coat my cup in sea glass. Now I'm going in with cotton for my whipped cream at the top, and I'll also use cotton to do every other stripe on my candy cane. I'll fill in the rest of my candy cane with Barn Red. Then I'm going to do the little chocolate drips in pine cone. Now I'm going in and highlighting my whipped cream with the color Savannah Mist, just going over all those lines that are etched in the cutout for me. Now that everything's dry, I'm going to go in and outline my candy cane. I'm also going to go in and outline my coffee cup. And just the edges of my whipped cream. I don't want to go over the lines that are in my whipped cream. I want to keep that soft. Then I'm going to use that marker to go in and write hot cocoa and Hallmark movies. And I'm just going to go over it once. And then I'm going to go over it again with that marker just to kind of thicken up all of those letters. I like the way that looks a little bit better. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with a number 4 round in the color cotton to highlight everything, including my lettering, and I'll stick to the left side of all of my letters. And I like to do this just because it kind of cleans up and brightens it up as well. But in case I made any mistakes, this kind of hides that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.